Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be all about my eyeshadow palette collection. Now a lot of you guys were asking about my eyeshadow palette collection, so I just thought of giving you like a brief idea of what eyeshadow palette I have. So I'm gonna start up with like a very basic eyeshadow palette and then very professional one. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get into the video. I'm going to talk about is by Lakme 925. So this palette is very much like an handy kind of palette. So you just get 4 colors, but it is very expensive. So it is for 650 rupees. Okay, so it is very expensive palette, but if you are someone who likes to invest in like a brands, because Lakme 925 is a very great brand, so if you are someone who wants to invest into brand but who don't know how to play with colors and all of that, you guys should get this one. So the pigment is amazing. I'm going to just show you, these are like a shimmer color. So I'm going to just show you the swatches of both color. Like I'm going to show you the swatch of 2 colors. So this is how this 2 color look like. So the pigments are amazing and it is buttery soft. So yeah, you should invest into this one. So the next palette that I'm going to talk about, my second palette, which is my favorite palette. So this is my first palette which I have bought, and it is from SFR. Now SFR is Indian brand and I really love this one. This also has like a one more shade, like which has like a nude color, so you will definitely get this palette into cuffs and lashes. I'm gonna just show you these 2 colors. These are like my absolute favorites. So I'm gonna just swatch this 2 color on my hand. So this is like a purple color and this is green color, so I really love this palette. So this is my favorite palette and I'm definitely going to recommend you if you love dark colors. So yeah, the next palette that I'm going to talk about is Miss Claire. Now this is like a must-have palette, like every girl should have this palette. This is my go-to palette. I always pick like the nude shades and I play with these colors. All of these colors are like mixture of like shimmery and matte. That's why this is my favorite. The matte colors are amazing, the shimmer colors are amazing. You guys can see how much I have used this palette. So I'm gonna just swatch like my favorite color from this palette, which is this color. I use this for my inner corner highlight. If you're looking for a palette which is not very expensive but yet very pocket friendly, I would definitely suggest you this one. The next palette that I'm going to talk about is my most favorite palette. So I have suggested a lot of people about this palette. Like each and every friend of mine, I have suggested this palette to them. People who are new, like people who are beginners, should have this palette. Now if you are a person who want to invest into like a very good palette but you are a beginner but you still like a branded and like a very good palette, you should invest in this one. So this is for 650 rupees. You get it for 650 rupees. Basically it is for like 800 or 850 rupees, but you always get like a very nice sale on this one on purple.com. I call this palette as a versatile palette. I'm gonna just tell you why. So it has this color which plays as a blush. It has this and these colors which play as a contour, and then it has this and this shade which play as a highlighter. Now this is a versatile palette, and then you have a lot of browns and a lot of oranges, peachy tones. So that's why this is a versatile palette. You can create hell lot of looks with this one. So yeah, I will definitely suggest you guys to go for this one. And if not this one, like if you find this as expensive, you should go for this one. These 2 palettes are like the must have palette. I would definitely recommend you guys to go for both of them. Next palette that I'm going to talk about is by Swiss Beauty. Now Swiss Beauty is again a very good brand. It's a very great brand actually. So I got this one from my makeup classes. So I would never invest into this palette. The reason behind that is this palette has all, there is not even a one shade which is matte. Each and every shade is glittery. So I really don't like shimmer colors. I am not that kind of person. I really love matte shades. I am the person who love matte shades. I'm going to just swatch one color, which is the purple color. I'm going to just swatch this purple color on my hand, so you will get like an idea. So this is how the shade looks like. It's amazing. The pigment is amazing, no doubt. It is Swiss Beauty, and Swiss Beauty is a very good brand, so I would definitely recommend you guys if you want to invest into like shimmery palette. This palette is from SFR. I really love SFR. You can get this palette from Cuffs and Lashes. It has 40 colors and I don't think so आज के इसमें आपको 40 colors 500 में मिलेंगे, but then it is an Indian brand and that's why it is for 500 rupees. Obviously the pigment is not that great. I won't say like it's top of the world, but the pigment is something you can do with. So the purple color which I have used for today's makeup is from this palette. So basically it was this color, and I really love this one. So this is like a lavender purple color, and I love purple color and I love to play with colors, and that's why I invested into this. All the palettes that I'm mentioning right now will be in the description below, so just go and check that out. So I'm going to talk about my last favorite palette, which is my most favorite palette. This palette has a lot of shade range. Like you are gonna get neutral shade, bright shades, and then a very darker shade. So I really love this palette. Like I cannot even tell you guys what I feel about this palette. This palette is very close to me because my quarantine is going the best because of this palette. Coming back to the pigments, oh my god guys, the pigments are amazing. I'm gonna show you yellow pigment because mostly you don't get yellow colors nice, but this one has the best yellow colors. So I'm gonna just swatch yellow color for you guys because for me yellow colors are very important. So this is like the very sunset yellow color, and then this is like a very bright yellow color, like a lemon yellow color. Both of the colors are amazing. This palette is pretty expensive. It is expensive for me because I got this palette for like 1300 or like 1350. Now this palette is for 1500 rupees. I got this palette from Cuffs and Lashes. Yeah guys, that's it for the video. I hope you love this video, and I hope that it was a very helpful video because I tried my best to show you all my palettes. Do let me know what kind of video you wanted to see on my channel. You can just comment down below and let me know. So if you love this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye.